This is Pretend Farmer Girl, and today I got the corn in the ground. I decided instead of just putting the mulch on the rows, I put it in the whole bed because the weeds, slash grass here in Florida is relentless. So I'm fertilizing the seeds, but of course all the grass and weeds are getting their fair dose of fertilizer too. So the rows are close enough to be able to pollinate. Plus, I have a video from like 11 years ago where I planted corn, and I show how you go through to help pollinate all the ears and everything. So you can check that out if you want. So far, all of here are where the bush beans were, and the tomatoes that I planted over there, they haven't died yet in the last 3 days. So I'm super excited. I finished this whole row, and I'll let you know that probably the last 8 are Everglades tomatoes, which are like a no-brainer in Florida. I had 1 or 2 bushes, and we got so many mini tomatoes that I finally just said, okay, I'm done, and let them go to seed. So anyway, here is where the 2 corn beds are going to be. And I also wanted to show you really quick that I am getting some sprouts for the beans, and over there. So I have 3 beans coming up there, so we'll see. And now I'm going to show you in detail what I did.
Here I'm just showing you a picture, did the same thing. Those are my seeds sitting in water that I soaked overnight. Biochar, worm casings, and blood meal. And then I ended up putting 2 seeds per hole because I had soaked all the seeds and I didn't want them to go to waste. And then I covered them all up. And then an area, there were a lot of fire ants, so I ended up sprinkling some Cayenne before I put the mulch on, along with some other fertilizer. Put the mulch on, and then I put some more Cayenne, as you can see here. So I think we're good. And then I couldn't help it, but this is Mr. Pretend Farmer Girl out on our tractor. This is Pretend Farmer Girl signing out.